Hi there, I'm Howie Long, and this is Rick Spina, the truck guy from Chevy. We're here to put the all-new Chevy Silverado HD up against its competitors. Now, Rick, when I said we needed to take the test to the next level, I didn't mean literally. How high up are we?
We're a little over 6,000 feet right now, Howie. You know, a heavy-duty truck's got to be able to do real heavy work, right? Accelerate up a steep incline with a big load behind it. We're going to make this a real test, though, because like you said, we're at altitude. You know, altitude's tough on you and I as humans, right? It can really take a toll on how an engine performs, too.
I'm almost afraid to ask you, Guy. What's up next?
Well, this morning we've got 3 one-ton heavy duties. We've got the Chevy Silverado 3500 HD, the Ram 3500 heavy duty, and then, of course, the Ford F350 Super Duty. 0 to 60 standing start acceleration at altitude, 7% grade, they're going up, with 3,000 pounds in the bed. Now, we've only got 2 lanes to work with today, so what we're going to do is we're going to run the Silverado and the Ram first, and then based on the outcome of that test, we'll bring the Ford into it, see where we end up. Three, two, one.
Not exactly a photo finish, huh? Silverado clearly won that one. Let's see how the Super Duty does.
3, 2, 1.
Super Duty really struggled at this incline.
Hey, Chevy was strong.
0 to 60 acceleration results. Silverado HD, 14.54 seconds. Ford Super Duty, 17.53 seconds. Ram HD, 20.43 seconds.
So let me get this straight now. At sea level, we loaded all the trucks up with 1,500 pounds of payload, ran the test. Now we've taken them to high altitude, steeper incline, loaded the trucks up with 3,000 pounds of payload. And the Chevy Silverado, to me, looked like the clear winner.
You know, that Duramax is strong at sea level, right?
Yeah.
But because the guys have correctly sized, tuned, and calibrated the entire intake system, it performs this well at altitude besides.
So was this test a fluke?
Remember, AMCI, for their certification, has to run a lot more than one test.
So Chevy Silverado won 2, 3 times?
Guy, how many?
No, actually, our certification protocol requires that each truck turn its best numbers repeatedly 24 times.
So even though Ford has better numbers on paper, Chevy Silverado outperforms Ford both at sea level and at altitude.
It's not just the numbers on paper, it's how you take them to the real world.
Maybe that's why Silverado HD is the Motor Trend Truck of the Year.
Maybe.